Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare sponge dosha and peanut chutney. It's my favorite dosha and I hope you too like it. So let's see the ingredients. I have taken a rice and soak it for 3 to 4 hours and maida. I have removed all the water from it. Now I am going to grind it and make it into a smooth powder. I have done powder like this. Now I am going to strain the powder. Rice powder is ready. See how smooth it is. Now let's prepare for the dosa batter. For dosa batter, if you take 1 cup of rice powder, you should take same 1 cup of maida. It should be equal quantity. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of rice powder, and 2 cups of maida. It should be equal quantity. I have taken equal quantity of rice and maida. Now mix it well. Add sufficient water to make a smooth batter. Mix it without any lumps. The dosha batter should be like this. Now add half spoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Our dosa batter is ready. So leave it for 8 hours or overnight. Cover it and keep it aside. Meanwhile, let's prepare for the peanut chutney. Take a mixer bowl. I have fried the peanuts. Add peanuts and 1 spoon of roasted chana dal. Three green chilies. 3 to 4 garlic pieces and little bit of curry leaves, and sufficient salt. Now I am going to grind it. Add half spoon of cumin seeds and little bit of water. Now let's grind it. Our chutney is ready. For tempering, I have taken a pan and added 1 spoon of oil. Let it heat. Add pop seeds, 1 spoon. Two red chilies. and curry leaves. Let it fry. Tempering is ready. Now let's place in chutney. Our peanut chutney is ready. Now let's check the dosha batter. See how it is raised well. Mix it. Sufficient salt. Mix it well. The batter is somewhat thick, so I am adding little bit of water. Our dosha batter is ready. Now let's start preparing sponge dosha. Take dosha pan. Apply oil to it. Now add dosha batter. Let it cook. Add little bit of oil. It off. Now let's turn it. It's perfectly cooked. Now let's take it out. I am going to add another one. Let it cook. See how bubbles are coming up. Add little bit of oil. Turn it on other side. Let's take it out. Our sponge dosha is ready. See how smooth and spongy. Our tasty sponge dosha is ready. Serve it with peanut chutney and ginger pickle. So it tastes very good. Thank you for watching. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.